Hello guys, welcome to my channel Xgnana. So today we'll be learning how do we delete one single column or multiple columns using Python. For this example, I have used a sample CSV file, named it as sample CSV just for the simplicity. And I have close to 7 columns where starting with first name, last name, age, email ID, gender, and the regions and country. So first things first, we'll import the data set into the pandas under pandas data frame, and then we'll check if the data frame contains all these columns with the data and try removing this column. I'm going to open the Python IDE. So the font looks to be very big. So let me shut it down to 12. Okay. So I'm going to say import pandas as pd and then create a data frame. Data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Open the bracket. We need to define the file path, the entire path. The easy way from if you're having it in Excel is to copy path directly from the file so that you don't end up in having syntax error. I am going to put that in the brackets and then check for the data frame. Okay, it has the first name, last name until the column countries. Okay, so how do we drop a column? Let's try to drop age as a column. I am going to say data frame is equal to, we are deleting or making a change within this data frame. So you need to have data frame equal to the data frame itself dot drop. Within the bracket you need to specify the column name and then you need to specify axis, whether it's x-axis or y-axis. So axis is equal to 0 mean rows, 1 means it's column. So since we are removing column, you need to specify 1 or you'll end up with an error. I didn't get any error, so I'm going to test the data frame and there you go. We have first name, last name. There you see age is no more appearing. So this is one of the way where you can define how do you delete a column. Let's say you want to delete multiple columns like now regions and country itself. So if that's the case, you have to say data frame is equal to data frame dot drop. And within the bracket, you need to specify columns and then what columns you want to remove. Since it's a list, you have to put it in a bracket. Name each one of the column. Let's say regions, comma, country. That's it. And I have to close the bracket. I am keeping my fingers crossed. No issues, no errors. If I see the new data frame, it has first name, last name, email ID, and gender. Pretty easy, right? Now let's learn other way of doing it. So the usual normal way when we speak is we want to delete a column. We don't say drop a column. So what we are going to say, we'll just say delete, which is a DEL, with followed by the data frame within the bracket. Let's take gender. Let's remove gender from the data set. Hit enter and then let's check for the data frame. You have first name, last name, email ID, and we got rid of gender. I hope this video was very helpful and this is a very simple ways to delete a column. If you need more tutorials, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.